What a beautiful day. No. Thomas, Percy, Gordon. Ah, forget it. I gotta go find them. Not here. Or here. Or there. No. Gone, gone, gone. Where did everybody go? Go, go. Go. We're right here. We're in the basement. What's that? I gotta go find them. Meanwhile, in the you know what? What the heck are you guys doing here? Well, Fool had to put us away. What? He had a party last night with his friends and you can't miss it. Yeah. And we're having a party with our friends. Really? Yeah. Won't you come join them? Okay. If you wanna jump. Alright, I'll jump. Cannonball!